Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rulings regarding prayer, the Qibla, direction of prayer. The Kaʿba, which is the house of Allah located in Mecca, is the Qibla of all Muslims. It is the direction towards which all Muslims must perform their prayer, otherwise their prayer is invalid. There are 4 ways to determine the direction of the Qibla. 1. Trying to determine the direction of Mecca personally. 2. Following the testimony of 2 just witnesses or 1 trusted person who has determined the direction of the Qibla based on sensory indications. 3. Following the opinion of a trustworthy person who has determined the Qibla based on scientific methods. 4. Determining the Qibla based on the direction of the mihrab of a mosque or that of the graves in a Muslim cemetery or in any other way. However, in the case that a Muslim is not able to determine the Qibla through any of these ways, they should choose one direction and perform their prayer towards that direction. Institute for compiling and publishing the works of Ayatollah Makarem Shirazi.